Hi everyone, this is Mariana, trainer and technical documentation developer at In-House Solutions. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use different selection methods in Mastercam design. In Mastercam, the single selection method is always active. You can single click on the entities that you want to select. You can also unselect an entity by clicking again on it, or you can press Escape to unselect all. To select multiple entities using the window selection method, you have to select a point outside of the window and then holding down the mouse button, click on the opposite corner of the window. Everything that is inside of the window will be automatically selected because in the general selection bar, you have the default set to everything that is inside of the window. You can also select everything that is outside of the window, inside and intersect the window, or outside and intersect the window, as well as just entities that intersect the window. Press Escape to unselect the geometry. To select entities using the chain selection method, hold down the Shift key and select a single entity that is part of the chain. For partial chaining, hold down the Shift key and select the first entity of the chain, making sure that you select it close to the endpoint from where you want to start the chaining. This ensures proper direction of the chaining. Then, holding down again the Shift key, select the last entity of the chain. To unselect the currently selected entities, and in the same time select all the other entities that are not selected now, you can click on the Inverse Selection button in the General Selection bar. To select multiple entities using the Area Selection method, hold down the Shift key and click inside the outermost entity, but outside the inside entities. Notice how all the chains have been selected. To select entities using the Vector Selection method, hold down the Alt key, click the first point of the intended vector, and then continue to click points to draw lines through the desired selected entities. And then release the Alt key. Alternatively, if you do not remember the short keys, you can choose from the General Selection bar any of the selection method that you want. This concludes the video on how to select geometry in Mastercam design. Thank you for watching.